money making mindset. So finally, I have crushed that struggle of making or finding the best bread buns or poki recipe for you. So all you need to do is to comfortably sit and make your bread buns anytime you want it. So first, you start with 260 grams of all-purpose flour, 30 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed spice, 15 grams of margarine, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, then you combine everything. Make sure that you incorporate the margarine very well into the dry ingredient. Then you bring in half cup of water. One thing you should bear in mind is that for every 250 grams or 260 grams of flour, sorry, you need half cup of water. So next I added my flavor. I use my combo flavor. You can use any flavor of your choice. So I use a mixture of that combo flavor is a mix of milk tantalizer, condensed milk, and buttermilk. So that's what makes up that. Now when you start combining this flour, it's going to be difficult, but don't worry, don't add water first. Just keep on combining it, squeeze it and squish it and squeeze it until all the dry ingredients are combined. Then you transfer it to your work surface and start doing this, okay? Now, normally this is what machine can do for you, but since we are using hand, you have to be very, very practical here. Okay, so when you need it for some time and you see that it is still not soft enough for you, just touch your hand, dip your hand in water. Don't pour water, just dip your hand in water. Use it to, knead it again. So this dapping of hand in water and using it to knead, I think I did it like 3 times. Okay, then you sprinkle flour on your work surface. Don't be petty with the flour. Just sprinkle enough flour, but not too much dough, and then use it to roll it out the first time. Sure you roll it out very thin as you see. I show you the first time. And after rolling it out, you're going to fold it up the first time from one side to the other, and then you roll it straight, very straight and flat the second time. After rolling it, now you fold it the way you saw me fold it the second time. Then you roll it again, you fold it the third time, then you roll it again, fold it the fourth time. Just as you see me folding and folding and folding. And for each fold, you must sprinkle with flour. Are you getting it? Until then finally you have this thickness as you see. Okay. Then once you get this thickness, remember this for you to get this thickness, at this after folding for up to like 5 to 6 times. Okay, the next time you're going to fold, you are going to roll it out. You will not roll it out very, very flat again. Okay, so that you will have this thickness. Maybe on the seventh one or on the eighth one, you have this thickness. Then you cut it according to how you want it. The next thing is going to be frying. You put your oil on heat and make sure your oil heats up to medium heat. Once it's at medium heat, then you reduce the heat of the oil. Sorry, you reduce the heat of the oil because one thing again you should bear in mind is bread buns doesn't need too much heat, else it's going to puff up, then brown quickly, and it will not cook well. It will be super too much soft in the inside, and it will not look attractive anyway. So all you need to do is make sure that you fry on low to medium heat. You understand? Make sure you control the heat. And once they turn light golden brown, you take it out. Also, another thing I want you to bear in mind when you are frying the second batch, make sure that your oil is completely on low, like super low. So that it doesn't, mess up your all your efforts. Another thing, when your bread bun start frying, it must at a point settle at the top of the oil. And frying takes between 8 to 10 minutes and it's done. So you can see it is even oil less. See you in my next one.